Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
First, create or confirm your Google account before trying to sign in on iOS. Open Safari or Chrome and go to Accounts. Google.com to verify your details. Enable two-step verification for stronger security with SMS or an authenticator app. Note the exact Google email address and password you will use to sign in. Also enable account recovery options, such as a phone number and backup email. These steps prevent lockouts when moving a Play Games identity to iOS. Now on your iPhone, open the App Store and search for Google Play Games or related titles. If Google Play Games is not available, install games that support Google Sign-In instead. Tap Sign In and choose Use Another Account or pick your Google email. Enter the exact Google email and password you prepared earlier on the web. Accept requested permissions for saved games, achievements, and basic profile linking. After sign in, verify your cloud save appears under Settings or your profile. Open each game that supports Google Play Games and choose Sign In with Google. If a game offers cloud save, tap Link Account or connect and confirm your Google account. For cross-platform progress, check the game settings for Restore, Sync, or Cloud Save options. If sign-in fails, clear the app cache, reinstall the game, or sign out and back in. Use the Google account page to revoke and re-grant permissions if linking still fails. Contact the game developer if progress does not sync between Android and iOS devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.